Hold on.
No, they would like to go. They would like to go. They would like to go.
Shino. Ah, no. Ah.
Come back.
See them. They picked on the right. See them. They picked on the right. Come on! You expect them. Let's go for who? I bet shit to Jared. Go to shit. It's not in the pick on the right. Don't assist you. I like this why access to him. Be talking to them. What's the don't go inside. You hear my clothes. You have to stop. Yes, you have to stop. Tell you. You are just harassing me. You're not ashamed. You're not ashamed. Why are you not ashamed of me? Look at the he's tapping out like a bush. Look at him. He's tapping our cheeks. He's tapping the color like that. When I took no for us at that time, Sowore and that time, and he get more serious. See them. And your parents are proud of you in this uniform. You are telling my clothes. And your parents are proud of you in this uniform. Do you think that with this rifle or without this rifle, and your parents are proud of you in this uniform? Oppressor. Can you withstand me? Instruments of oppression. To me, you are telling my clothes. Instruments of oppression. Look at them. Because you hold rifle, you cannot go hold bandit. Instruments. In bandit, you cannot do this. But in God, you are telling my clothes. What do you mean? You are fucking scared. You are standing. You are fucking scared. I'm yes. What did I do to you? No, please check his case. See, you are telling me what allow me to enter the house. Why you pick the right in my matter, Oga? I don't give me chance. Who's that guy? Nigeria is funny. One word and watch. You are so happy. Why are you Sowore's case? Don't calm down. You don't get to oppressors are using you. You don't have a self. You got to know about power. Oppressors use you as a tool. This is Nigeria, belongs to all of us. What purpose is that? Kind of. What kind of rubbish is that? I know why they call rifle. What are you trying to instigate? What are you trying to which rifle? Who touched your rifle? Who touched your rifle? Shame. I have business to do. Oh. I have businesses in course. It is you see, the decision of the people have in this country. When it's time to stand for your rights, you push the issue as it is wanted. Do they have business to be here in the first place? Citizens are supposed to have access to this place freely. But because Nigeria is a banana republic, look at the faces, arms, and guns. Is it a war zone? You could not go to Oyo to help you kidnap kids. You are free to the right whenever you don't see Sowore.
Wait, did I insult you? Did I insult you?
I don't respect to yourselves. This country, you can fix it. In the lifetime of your parents, will fix Nigeria. Before your parents exist, by the grace of God, Nigeria will go better. Are you proud of it? Are you proud of Nigeria of today? You are not. You are in chains. You are in chains. I'm telling you, you're all in chains. This would never save you. Sowore is the person who can save you. And when they send you to Gaza, Sowore, use your number 6. Because that is your Messiah. That is your Messiah in human form. We are going to do like this because you are home weapons. My brother, have your family eating this morning? Have your family eating this morning?
Jide, calm down, not first. Jide.
Wow.
Check out.
This is to be filled with brain. You go test them.
Yes, later. No, you tested it is in your office.
Let me see.